Welcome to another Math Magicians Academy video. And today we'll be learning about puzzles. My name's Anya and I'll be your guide through this fun math adventure. Today's learning goal is understanding the concept of finding a path in a graph or a labyrinth and solving different puzzles. Our first example is to find the path using one of the strategies. We need to try and get the ant to its mound. Now, there are multiple different ways that we can do this, but we need to choose the most efficient. Let's use our strategy is working from the end of the maze to the start. In this case, the end of our maze is the mound, and the start is obviously the ant. So let's figure out a way. As we can see that there's only one line from the maze, but there are four going from the ant's house, from the ant. So we need to figure out a way to get from the mound to the ant. Let's use the one line and follow the path. Make sure to only go on the path given, or else you're going to get confused. As we can see, we found the ant a path home. We can label this path as 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we can see that path 3, is the correct answer. Problems more challenging would be find the missing numbers in the magical square. The square has an equal sum on each row, column, and diagonal. The sum is a magical sum. Let's look at the picture given below and start solving. Step 1 is to label all the parts of the magical square so we can solve this problem in an easy and efficient way. First, a column is 3 squares going down, meaning we have 1, 2, 3. This is our column. Next, let's identify our row. The row are the 3 squares going down. This is our row. Lastly, let's identify what our diagonal is. Our diagonal is the 3 squares going from the top corner to the bottom corner. So this is our diagonal. Now, the 6, which is in the middle, is our central square. Great. Now that we've identified each different parts of our square, let's start solving. Now, our magical sum is 18. Now, how did I get 18? Well, we see that there are already 3 pieces given to us in the square. We have 7 plus 6 plus 5. We're adding these because sum means addition. So we have 7 plus 6, which is 13, plus 5, which is 18. So we need to make all of these squares, each row, column, and diagonal, equal 18. That sounds like a lot of work, but trust me, there's an easy way to do this. First, we know that 7 plus 6 plus 5 is 18. So that means we can also figure out the other diagonal. We have 9 plus 6 plus question mark, because we don't know what this one is yet, do we? No. Is equal to 18. So we have, is equal to 18. So we have 9 plus 6, which is 15, plus question mark, which is 18. Now what number plus 15 gets us to 18? That's right, 3. So that means our question mark is 3, which means that the number in the diagonal with 9, 6, and blank is 3. Now that we've figured out 3, we can figure out this top column. So we again have 7 plus 3 plus question mark is equal to 18. 7 plus 3 is 10, plus question mark is 18. What number plus 10 equals 18? That's right, 8. So that means this number, this square over here, the value is 8. Now, at this point, I think you guys got the hang of how to solve these. So let's pause the video and see if you can solve it yourself. We have just successfully solved this whole entire magical square because you guys are math magicians. Less than 5 minutes, you guys have become masters of puzzles. I now challenge you to test your knowledge with more problems just like these. Make sure to stay tuned for more videos, but remember that the secret to being good at math is just to have fun. Math Magician Anya, out.